It's coming. All right.
Okay, it's on play.
All right, so we got a bird in here. All right. Poor thing is just black.
Oh,
Oh, it's a big bird. Bigger than I thought it was. I don't know what type of bird it is. It is really big. Poor thing. There it is. Get in there. Upstairs. It seems to be healthy. It looks like a pigeon, but it's kind of hard to tell. Hey, Rock, you caught a bird. Yeah.
still playing.
See if you can see what it is. Hey there. You look pretty dark.
Oh, is it?
I don't know what he is.
Is it a pigeon?
I don't know what he is. He'll be alright, I think. Okay, I'm just going to let him go. He's probably going to fly away. There you go. Shit, was that a duck?
I'm not sure. Could have been. Okay.
Well, he's gone.